So what do you do when you get these when you pitch a tent? Sometimes the guidelines that you get more than likely will not tell you exactly how to use a guideline. These are called guidelines, and what you do with them is you tie them to your tent on the side. When you're using a guideline, this is your adjuster. What you do is, with this adjuster, you pull this part out like this. When you pull this part out, this is how you adjust it once you connect it to this hook. You can leave that alone for now, and let me show you how to connect it to this hook. This is on the side of the tent. You make a loop like so. You pull it through. And you have a loop over here. And you pull this all the way through the loop that you just made. And then you slide it to tighten it. Once that's tightened, you get this other part with this part where you adjust it, and you fasten it into the ground with this. So you put it in here, and you stretch this as far and as tight as you want. You put it into the ground like so, as far as it can go. Once that's into the ground, you can adjust this part as tight as you need it to be, so when you have heavy winds and rains, this stays steady. So let me see if I can tighten this. Oh, it's not that the ground is real soft because it's been raining a lot, but something like that. And there you go.